Hi there, this is the AwareTech DIY pinhole camera with night vision and extra long battery life. Today we'll take you through an unboxing as well as show you an overview of the product and the basic setup to get started. So starting off with the unboxing, comes in this plain brown packaging. Open it up. Got a whole ton of kit in there. It comes in two sections. So opening this up and taking a better look, in this one here, you've got the AC adapter to connect it to power, charging cable for the device, and the extended life battery. And then in the main part here, we have the actual device itself. So let's take this out, nice and gentle. Got the DIY unit as well as the different components that are connected to it. So we'll go ahead now and position this out so you can see a good overview of it. Alrighty, so taking a look top-down overview of this product here, just quickly going over what each component is. You've got the main camera unit here, the IR sensor, so if you're planning on using motion detection or night vision, you'll want to have that right next to the camera, a microphone, the Wi-Fi adapter, and then you have the external battery. So plugging in the external battery, you just bring the two red connection points together and you'll hear a click once it's in properly, and you won't see any extra parts. It'll click in perfectly just like that. And then on the actual device itself, taking a much closer look here, there is a port for where you can charge it, a quick restart button, the power on and off button is tucked to the right hand side, and then on the left you have a spot for the SD card. So you want to put the SD card in before you start recording if you want to capture motion detection. Now we'll go ahead and show you how to quickly get this one set up with the app. Alrighty, to get started, first thing you'll do is press the power button on the device, waiting 40 to 60 seconds for the red solid LED to start blinking. That means it's ready to connect. Going to the settings on your phone and then to the Wi-Fi section, connect to the B-Link device that you see appear, and then put in the default password, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then click join. Might take a minute up to the first time, but once you see that tick, you should be good to go. You might see something that says no internet connection. That's all right, we're connecting directly to the device. So going into the IoT Living app that you've downloaded, press the plus button in the top right corner, manual add, search camera from LAN, it'll appear right there. We'll call this one test for this video. Okay, added successfully, great. You'll see it says online in the bottom left corner. If I click play, we won't set a password this time, but you should now see there's my hand right there in front of the light. Perfect. Once you've got that directly connected, you can also go into the settings icon here. The first thing you'd want to do is go into network information and connect it to Wi-Fi so that you can view it remotely from anywhere else. And then also in the parameter setting, using the record settings and motion detection settings to configure the SD card for motion detection recording and to get alerts if it does detect motion. If you do have any questions about the camera, just get in contact and let us know.